What's up, YouTube? So I got another bike over here, and this one's I just got this like about less than a week ago, probably like 3-4 days. This is the 2011 Fit Aitken 3 bike. It's all stock, brand new, everything's all stock. Again, I'm only gonna do a bike check on this because to help, like, if you guys are trying to buy this like online or from a friend or something, I'm just gonna go over the parts and everything. So, don't be commenting saying, "Oh, why'd you make a bike check on a bike that's all stock?" Again, the reason I'm doing it is because I'm just trying to help somebody out over here that doesn't know what it has, or So with all that said, I'm gonna get started from the front and go all the way to the back. My bars are the Fit Aitken 3 bars. Stock again. I don't know if they're the Fit Fly or I don't know what. I just know it has a sticker. It says Aitken 3 Fit Bike with the Fit Bike logo right here. I do know it's a 8-inch rise and 28 width bars with the Fit Bike top load stem. Pretty good. Stock headset, 5-inch top tube, 5-inch headset tube. Sorry about that. Fit Bike forks. I'm not sure. My friend said that it should be the Fit Shift forks, but I'm not too I doubt it's the Fit Shift. Again, it's stock, so I don't know about that. But again, it has the Fit Bike forks. Front wheel. The rim is where's the logo at? It's a blue double wall revenge rim with the gold hub. It's a female axle with one peg here. That's the only thing. The pegs are the only thing that came different with the bike. The guy I bought it from, he put the pegs. That's I guess you could say the only aftermarket thing. It's a steel peg. I don't know what brand it is, but it's steel. 2.25 time wall FAF tires. 110 psi. There's the tells you right there. Frame. I think it's a 20.75 top 2 frame, but I could be wrong. It's this bike, it actually comes like in 2 different blues. This is a sky blue frame, and there's another one that's a dark blue frame, like the rims. But the thing is that if you get the navy blue frame one, the rims will come the color of the frame. And if you get this frame, the rims, the same thing, it's just different. So that's the frame with the Fit Bike sticker. It's a 25 tooth gold sprocket Fit Bike. It's right there. Stock cranks. S&M metal pedals. They're the 1-on-1 pedals. 1-on-1. Stock stock seat post. Fit slim seat, little bit of fat in there. Oh, I put a sticker on this side, a Street Dream sticker. My crank, KMC chain, back wheel. Again, it's another revenge wheel, double wall. Both rims are double wall rims. Gold hub, black spokes. Another fitted FAF tire, but this one's a 2.10. Yeah, right here. 2.10. Pretty good, I guess. A peg on this side. And yeah, you guys, that's about it on the bike. I usually buy bikes and I usually sell them, but with this one, I'm gonna keep this one for a good while. I have my Eastern bike outside. This is my room, you guys, by the way. So like, comment, subscribe. Again, I'll be making more videos when I get more bikes. And yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy it.